are involved in motor vehicle accidents, many of them fatal every year across the country.
So this is a quick block from Magistrate Urich's traffic court. The first hearing moves pretty fast, but the second one turns into a surprisingly human conversation about grief, distraction, and why the hands-free rules exist in the first place. Watch how the magistrate balances empathy with pretty direct warnings. My name is Dan. This is the Courtroom Files.
That's you.
Correct.
Mr. Aldi, you were present just seconds ago when the court explained the nature of an informal hearing. True?
Correct.
So you understood the court's instruction that you must select from one of three options to protect your rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Mr. Aldi, the citation before the court was issued May 10 of this year at 8:08 in the evening. You were operating a 2025 Hyundai, black in color, on 11 Mile Road, Editor Coolidge Highway in the city of Berkeley. And at that place and time, it was discovered your vehicle plate had expired on your birthday in January. So this is a simple citation for expired plates. It is 0 points and non-moving. You may admit responsibility. You can admit, explain, and display an updated registration, or you can deny responsibility, and the court will swear the parties and take testimony. What do you wish the court to do?
I admit responsibility of totally forgetting, and I could have swore I put a sticker on my car, but it must have been a lot longer. I did within 10 minutes of the actual ticket getting pulled over, arriving at my house, get everything updated, and I have a proof of all of that.
Okay. You're still a young person. You're not supposed to start forgetting these things quite yet.
I know.
All right. Mr. Aldi, so that date and time you were driving in the city of Berkeley with an expired tag, correct?
Correct.
And you got it taken care of. Do you have your registration handy?
I do.
Could you hold that up to your device? Say your name, please.
Kendra Ann Giraldi.
I believe the court sees it. Do you see it? PSO Donnelly? Okay. So that's a motion to dismiss.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's what that means. Okay. Happy birthday, Mr. Aldi. You're going to be driving for a good long while. You know what to do next January or the January after that. Okay.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank the officer.
Thank you, Officer Donnelly.
You're welcome.
I'm being confused again. PSO Larson.
Sorry. Yes, it's Larson, also formerly known as Savage.
Okay. Now we got it. And has anyone heard or seen from Officer Shuey?
Lieutenant Shuey?
Yeah.
D. Shuey? I haven't, but I can text him real quick if you want.
All right. It's not necessary yet. Just sort of taking attendance. Non-mandatory. All right, I got another one of yours. Is it Sergeant Donnelly?
PSO Donnelly, Your Honor.
Okay.
But I'll take Sergeant if you're promoting me.
It could happen at any moment. You don't know. This is case number 26, B like Berkeley, E01954, People versus Kaylin Howard. That's you, sir? Okay.
Yes, that is me.
All right, Mr. Howard, find a good, comfortable spot where you might be able to hold fast for a moment. Today is the date and time for your informal hearing. You were here just a moment ago when the court explained that procedure, correct?
Correct.
And so you understood the court's instruction that you must select from one of three options to protect your own rights. True?
True.
Okay. Sir, this citation indicates that on April 22nd of this year at 12:06, so 6 past midnight, you were operating a 2011 Toyota, white in color, on 12 Mile Road, Editor Greenfield, in the city of Berkeley. And at that place and time, you were cited for violating Michigan's hands-free law, in as much as you were using, touching, or holding a mobile electronic device. The citation suggests operating while watching videos, phone mounted to dash to the right. So you have three options today. You may admit responsibility, you may admit and explain, or you can deny responsibility, and the court will swear the parties and take your testimony. What would you like the court to do for you?
Um, I think admit responsibility, but explain.
All right, so you're confirming to the court that on the date in question, you were operating a motor vehicle in the city of Berkeley while using a mobile electronic device, correct?
Yeah.
All right, court accepts your plea. What's happening, Mr. Howard?
So I work at Target on 12 and Dequindre and
Okay.
Warren, and I live in Southfield,
Mhm.
by 11 and Inkster. I was just driving home. I originally had my phone up on the little mounted spot with a map to tell me where to go to take the
Okay.
freeway, but I'm pretty sure you probably heard about all the freeway stuff that's going on right now. So I ended up just not taking the freeway. So I closed it out and I just put up a video for sound in the background, just something to hopefully make me laugh because it's that literal day, like a couple days before that was a bit of a rough day. I have the obituary right here. My grandma actually had passed on April 18th.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So appreciate that. It was my first day back to work, and I just needed something to try to cheer me up. So I just put on the video. I wasn't watching it. It wasn't a watch like video. It was really just a guy making jokes while he's playing a game. But the game wasn't important. It was more so about him. I watch him all the time. He's one of my
Okay.
favorite YouTubers. So I was listening to him, just chilling, driving straight shot, straight down 12 Mile, literally from, like I said, 12 in the Quinder all the way down to 12 in Inkster. I turned down Inkster, and that was it. I literally saw everything around me. I wasn't watching the video at all. I saw when the officer was on my right. I saw when he was on my left. I saw him back up, and then when I started going forward, he got behind me. I saw my gym that I passed. Like I saw everything. I was very aware of everything. I was not watching it. I was just listening to it. And I let him know that, but he said it was still a thing. And so yeah, that was
Okay.
what happened.
Just so that we are all on the same education curve, that statute is, not that we all memorize it, Michigan Compile Law 257.602, which indicates except as otherwise provided, meaning to say exceptions for, public safety and, emergency technicians, etc. An individual shall not hold or use a mobile electronic device while operating a motor vehicle. So, while you didn't appear to be quote unquote, holding it at that moment, it was in some form of use. The court would simply suggest this. Court is giving you all that respect for the passing of your loved one. The court would also look to the fact that statistics are showing us not just a few thousand, but tens of thousands of people are involved in motor vehicle accidents, many of them fatal every year across the country. And when you just look at your phone for even an instant, you increase your odds of a motor vehicle accident by a factor of 23. So that's X 23. So just looking at it for an instant, depending on what your speed is, if you're stopped, you can think you can go forward and then you might end up bumping somebody. If you're at speed, you can cover a football field or more. So it's just something that we have to remain mindful of. But thank you for hearing out that tiny dad lecture. Officer Donnelly, what would you like to share?
Nothing to add, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. What the court's going to do, Mr. Howard, is this ticket is somewhat financially daunting, so the court's going to afford some relief there and reduce the fine to $150. That is payable through the pay portal on the 44th District Court website, or you can walk a cash check or charge into this court at 400 East 11 Mile Road, Monday through Friday between 8:30 and 4:30. And that is going to be due within 14 days. That completes your hearing, and good luck to you, sir.
So I think that was fair, empathetic, and it still came with a tiny bit of dad lecture attached. But I think the real issue here is obvious, isn't it? He was listening to the wrong YouTuber. The staff here at the TCF bunker will try not to take that personally. But I'm curious to know what you think, so let me know down in the comments before you go. And if you enjoyed this video, no sense in leaving it all. Check out one of the two that are on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching.